Hi, I'm Sivaramakrishnan. Come on, let's draw.
Okay, so we are going to draw a dove. Yep, here. Draw a line, and then a slanting line, and then draw a diagonal line. Okay, and then draw a curve like this. Okay, then join these two lines. Okay, see, this is the shape of the dove's wing. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to tilt it a little bit for the other wing. So what we are going to do is tilt it in this from this point, so it will be like this, and then like this, then like this. Okay, then from here. Okay, now we have to draw the tail feathers and the body, so we have to do the framework for that. Okay, so what we have to do is from here draw a slanting line like this. Okay, draw a line like this. After that, what we have to do is draw a line and connect these two. Okay, like this. So hope you got the pigeons. Now what we are going to do is we are going to add the curves for all these lines. Okay, first let's start from here. Add a curve like this, and then follow this up to this line, and then add a curve like this. Okay, then draw a curved line like this. The feathers also. 1, 2, 3. Add a curve and join this point. Then from here, join this curve to this curve. Okay, make the beak a little bit prominent. Now let's erase off all the framework lines. Okay, now let's darken the lines. So we shall place it here, the branch or whatever we call it. Okay, so let's add that. Okay. Now let's add the leaves. Don't make it too detailed. This is extend this, like draw a line from these points. Okay, extend this line so it will add some more detail to the wings. After that, you can even add another line below. Don't make it too dark. Okay.
That's it. Hope it was easy and you liked it. Try this out and don't forget to share your drawings with me. You can use the WhatsApp business number. I would love to see your drawings, okay? And there's a bonus for you. Like, I would share my Facebook group's link. It's a private group. I'm sharing my tips and tricks on how to draw and answering your questions as well. So if you're very much interested in arts, you can accept the invite. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it and click the bell icon to get notified about my videos. And finally, if you want to check out my artworks, you can do so by searching for Entice Art Studio in Instagram. Take care, happy drawing, bye.